Hello everyone. Let's try to answer this question from the chapter Force, Work and Energy based on the concept centripetal and centrifugal forces. Before answering this question, let's try to understand few concepts. We need to understand what is centripetal force. What is centripetal force? A force which keeps a body in circular path. If a body is moving in circular path, it's due to force acting on it. For example, if we take sun and earth around it, right? Earth is moving around it. Now, earth is moving around sun due to gravitational force between them. Now, this gravitational force is nothing but centripetal force. So it's a real force and it will act towards center always, towards center of the circular path always. What is centrifugal force? Centrifugal force is not a real force. How can we explain this? We need to know about inertia before we try to understand what is centrifugal force. So if a body is having mass, it won't allow you to change its direction, constant speed or state of rest when its velocity is 0. It won't allow you to change any of this. Now when you are taking a curve, your direction is continuously changing, right? At this point your velocity is in this direction. Now at this point your velocity is in this direction. So your speed is not changing, but your direction is continuously changing. When direction is changing, your body, due to property of inertia, it want to continue motion in this direction, which will make you to be pushed in this direction away from the center. So that's why you will feel outward force, which we call it as centrifugal force, which is not a force really, but a force which you will feel when you are taking a curved path, and it will be always away from the center. So it's a virtual force. Now let's try to answer these questions. With reference to the direction of action, how does a centripetal force differ from a centrifugal force? We have seen it, centripetal force will act towards center and centrifugal force will be acting away from the center. So they are exactly opposite in direction. What is the second question? Is centrifugal force the force of reaction of centripetal force? Huge no. Why? Centrifugal force is not a real force. So it can never be a reaction force for centripetal force, which is a real force. Right? So first question answer is exactly in opposite direction, and B question answer is no.